so we have to be really quiet doing this one because Mike's sleeping. We've been doing snow removal for days. Not sure what day it is. Excuse my appearance. Remember last time I washed my hair? They're working a lot. So anyway, I want to get this Boston butt into the crock pot, and it takes a long time, but it's really easy to throw together. I have a Boston butt. I'm just gonna throw it in my Instapot. I've taken garlic, about a whole head of garlic, and I've crushed them. Normally I would just buy the little, in a little container and just go crazy with this garlic. Go crazy. I'm just gonna spread it on there. Can't have too much garlic. Italian seasoning. Lots of it. Lots and lots. Just keep sprinkling. Almost make it look like it's a crust. Probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Hey, my dogs. Lots of pepper. You only get one time to season this. Oh, it's cooking anyway. Salt. Again, a good deal of salt. I want to show you what this looks like. How much I've put in there. Okay, so it almost looks like a crust. Right. And I'm gonna take about three-quarters of a cup of water, just pour it into the pop my lid on. And we're gonna put it on slow cook. Put it on pork. This says 4 hours. It's really early here. It's probably about 5:30 in the morning. So this is gonna cook for 4 hours. When that's done, I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna let it sit in its juices and till dinner time, right? And then I'm gonna just pour some barbecue sauce on it, put it on rolls, and unbelievable. Thanks for joining me so early in the morning. Go fly.